In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your Instagram stories to your highlights. So basically what you want to do is, if you never posted a story before, you need to post a story for this to work, because it needs to be your current stories or your archived ones. But for some people, even the current ones you won't be able to use, because first it needs to be expired after 24 hours and then you can use it. But once you are here and you have everything set up, so once you have posted the story, just click on the new button and add whatever you have posted in the past. Click on it, click on next, edit the cover, enter the name of the highlight, click on add, and as you can see, this highlight has been added and it's here. If you want to delete it, you can just click on more, remove from highlight, remove, and now it will be removed. If that was the only post in your highlight, then it will be removed, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.